The 2012 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, body color bumpers. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, low tire pressure warning, power windows, power steering, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, telescopic steering wheel, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.